Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm in Las Vegas for a hotel vlog series. This is day 3. Today I am on the strip where I'll be staying at the iconic Flamingo Las Vegas. I finally made it to the room. The check-in process was just a little bit too long and confusing. There is a lot of people in town for the NFL draft, so that probably explains why. But I'm already here, so let's go ahead and start with the official room tour. It's really loud, guys. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is really good. Morning guys, Flamingo Las Vegas, day 2. It's time to get going. Alright guys, so done with the shower. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day here in Las Vegas. I'm super excited to get this day started. First mission of the day, you know it, we need to find some coffee. Time to go to the pool, and I figure since I'm staying at the Flamingo Hotel, I should wear my Flamingo swimming trunks. Time to change. The Flamingo Las Vegas is a hotel and casino in the heart of the Las Vegas Strip with an adult-only Caribbean-style pool and a family-friendly beach club pool. Boasting 2 casinos with over 1,600 casino games, entertainment options including world-known musical acts, stand-up comedy, and even an adult-oriented burlesque show. You will never be hungry at the Flamingo with an array of restaurants, bars, coffee shops. Even a cake vending machine, but you better be quick with this one because they sell out fast. Alright, there's only 4 sad cakes left, and this thing was packed this morning. Hey, and you can even get married at the Flamingo. Hey guys, I'm back in the room from the pool. That was a lot of fun. I had such a great time here at the Flamingo Hotel, so based on my experience, I highly recommend it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't seen the previous 2 episodes, I'll leave the link in the description below. This was a series of 3 videos. The first one was Circus. And the second one was Golden Gate at Fremont Street. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Hey guys, I'm back in the room. Hey guys, I'm back in the pool. Hey guys, I'm back in the pool. I'm back in the pool.